Hello everyone, I'm Srinitya from JNTH College of Engineering Mantri. I'm here to present my view on cyber policing, the multifaceted cyber criminal, fake government of Telangana. What is the sauce for the goose is the sauce for the gander. Abstract. In this, we are going to see how cyber policing is taking place and FGOT analysis of the various effects of these cybercrimes and some steps to remediate them. Release of white paper. Unlike the case in which Swami Paripurnananda was externed, neither the twin cyber criminal organization, namely FGOT and JNTH JAC, were served any prohibition orders by the police, nor the cyber criminals are convicted. This raised many moot questions. We have devised a declaration for social media usage ethics that we can weaken and mitigate the abusive usage of social media by educated elite. Introduction. The FGOT and the JNTH JAC are found to have committed multiple cyber crimes against India, namely State Emblem of India violation, identify theft, cheating Government of Telangana, and seditious Government of Telangana's crimes and proper handling. Cyber policing the India, abusive fake Government of Telangana. In this, the twin cyber criminal organization, namely CCO, lodged police complaint against the two CCOs. With respect to first complaint, the FIR was filed in Jan 2014 in KPHP police station against the violation of State Emblem of India Act 2005. The witness produced by the government in the court trial turned as the hostile evidence and the accused A1 was acquitted. A1 and government of AP through KPHP police station were the parties to the judgment. Continuation towards this, KPHP police station forwarded RTI application consisting of 48 questions to the JNTH to respond for 42 questions. But JNTH was not interested to answer these questions. This gives the impression that JNTH and the Cyberabad police collude to spade the twin cyber criminal organization. The second police complaint regarding this was took in the year 2018 in the month of January against the seditious GOT. Cyberabad police filed FIR in Jan 2018 against the violation of the 66C IT Act but turned Nelson High to the reported sedition crime. Who is to take initiative to defuse the cyber criminal organizations? Why have the Cyberabad police, who impetuously, impulsively extend Swami Paripurnananda, or not similarly uniformly banned or issued prohibition orders against the twin cyber criminal organization? How to save and refill the losing national spirit, national consciousness, sense of national unity among the erring masses who are educated elite? During the prevalence 2011 to 2014 period of the open cyber crimes, JNTH was the only Telangana-wide full-fledged university, unlike Telangana University or Kakatiya University, MG University, Shatavahana University, Palamuru University, etc. Are the unchecked cybercrimes created a successful artificial impact for the advance in the later Telangana movement. How to make the JNTH authorities responsive and responsible to the cyber criminal academic environment on the society and the nation. Many facets of the 3D government of Telangana. This includes the multidimensional perspectives and significance of such cyber crimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications. Towards research tracking the issues of cyber crimes from 360 degrees life cycle and remedial perspectives. To recover the academic and the national losses due to these cyber crimes, 3D government of Telangana are well known as fake GOT, GOT June 2nd, 2014 to September 2014, GOT September 2014 to till date. The People Governance Forum is an innovative forum developed in the beginning of the year 2018. PGF is intended to disseminate national information by a broader discourse and inculcate national spirit to the educated youth and bring awareness how to use the internet for positive purpose. Through PGF, we brought to limelight the prevalence of the first government of Telangana, a fake GOT. The fake GOT has JNTH JAC as its functional organization both online and offline. The second GOT is GOT 2nd June 2014 to September 2014. It is an offshoot of the first GOT, a fake GOT. It is full-fledged GOT with well-known Chief Minister Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Council of Ministers and Governor Shri ESL Narasimhan. The third GOT is the Caretaker GOT, September 2014 to till date. The former ministers became the caretaker ministers. The governor is unchanged. And in this we can see a People's Governance Forum web page which was created by Professor K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and this includes many document and links how this works, etc. And in this we can see that this PGF website serves as a remedial forum to generate the people consciousness for a cybercrime free society. The snapshot of the web page corresponding to this URL is shown in the figure. The web page consists the hyperlink to recorded audio file as well as the topic mentioned is the many facets of the 3D GOT. The web page in SoundCloud website with URL as follows contains the same recorded audio files for the presentation in Telugu language on the topic as shown in the figure of PGF. Now, what is the sauce for the goose is the sauce for the gander. Why was Swami Paripurnananda externed through no prohibition orders against JNTH JAC and DGOT, ROG, Dark Government of Telangana, a JNTH academic scam? Dark Web, Deep Web, DGOT and RGOT. These are the main issues occurred in this. The Cyberabad police filed FIR 53/2014 in Jan 2014 against the crimes involving RGOT and JNTH JAC. The evidence produced by the Cyberabad police failed owing to hostile witness, and accused in the charge sheet were able to come out of scot-free unscathed. The police failed not only to convict the cyber criminals involved in the legal activity of DGOT and JNTH JAC, but also to issue prohibition orders against the twin elusive cyber criminal organizations such as DGOT and JNTH JAC. SMI Ethics Declaration Developing Social Media User Intelligence and SMI Quotient How to Develop Oneself as a SM Intelligent User and Not as a SM Foolish User Towards Developing the Factors or Questionnaire for the Computing SMIQ. The following are the declarations that to use the social media in order to not get addicted to the internet addiction, not get addicted to social media, and use social media only for the positive personality development, only for ethical and using only for ethical reasons and not for unethical, social media for creative organization, etc. And here coming the conclusion and future works mainly focused on the moot questions that arose because of the ineffective cyber policing with respect to our cybercrime case, depicted multifaceted 3D government of Telangana, and highlighted that the governments become strong and more powerful if they did release a white paper presenting the measures taken by them to diffuse the effects of these cyber crimes. The police issued externment orders against Swami Paripurnananda. Similar to this, the police should issue prohibition orders against the FGOT and JNTH JAC. What is sauce for the goose is a sauce for the gander. Devise a declaration of social media usage ethics. It keeps the society on the bedrock of values. Hence, the abusive social media usage will tend to be on the wane. As a part of our future work, we like to focus on the public opinion generation at a large scale and handle these type of cyber crimes well in the future. These are my views on the topic of cyber policing, the multifaceted cyber criminal and fake government of Telangana. Thank you.